All right, so we are back with another recreation look, and today we're gonna do the Rihanna Vogue beauty tutorial. So this is her epic 10-minute guide to going out makeup, but I really don't feel like this is like, I don't know, like, yeah, I can go out with this, like party, club, everything, but I definitely feel like it's like cute, flirty, daytime, bronzy, you know, flirty makeup. Yeah, I really like this look. I have a lot of the products that she uses because I love Fenty Beauty, and anyone can recreate this. Like, literally, it's so simple, it's so easy, anyone can do this. So if you don't know how to do makeup and you want to learn and you want to practice, please watch this video and just learn some tips. Like, just learn how to do your makeup, girl. I mean, it's not necessary, it's not, you don't need it to be beautiful or anything, but it's so much fun. It's a cute transformation. The glow is real and you're gonna feel amazing. This video, please press like and leave a comment down below. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.
So I hope you're ready. We're gonna start with foundation. So
yay, she's not starting with eyebrows first.
Let's do this. This I just like because it's like a safe bet. It's consistent.
She's putting on her Fenty foundation. It's very like yellow for her. She puts it directly on her beauty blender, on the Fenty blender.
Okay, that's only half of my face. I can't.
She's so funny. She says her forehead is half of her face.
10 hours it feels like sometimes. It depends on what kind of day you're having and how much in a rush you really are. My next step is going to be a little bit of contour. Blending.
I don't like doing my eyebrows first because if I do my face first, then I like to kind of go over my eyebrows with the foundation. And if I'm doing my eyes first, like with eyeshadow, I like get powder all over my eyebrows, so then I'm gonna have to like clean it up a little bit afterwards. So I just like to leave my eyebrows for last. Now she's gonna use her matchsticks, which I love. I don't care what anyone says. I love the contour, the truffle. It's perfect for me when I'm light, when I'm tan, and I love the highlighting sticks too. They're just so creamy, but not creamy. It's not sticky and gross. It sets really easily. It kind of has a light powder, silky effect after you blend it out, so you don't really have to set it too much with powder. It's perfect and I love it. And I have dry skin and it works for me in the wintertime, in the summertime, all the time.
Like the second to for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial, because everybody has a different shape. I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper down here. Hide that, you know what I'm saying? Very important to go into the hairline too, because I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair. You should just blend in naturally. And up and down the nose. Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy. Hide that double chin. Yes. I learned how to contour when I gained weight, believe it or not.
She's not even that fat. Like, she's not even that big. She's normal.
And your cheeks looking like baby cheeks. You just got it. See that look?
By the way, I love this brush too. I kind of like this brush more for like cream products and like sometimes foundation, but I feel like sometimes it's a little streaky with foundation, but I love it with like the contour. Like how she's using it.
Deeper situations before I go in and like highlight my face. I see like this is a little messy right now, but I'll handle that. And you always want to do a triangle when you're doing a contour under there. Give you that whole long neck situation. It just disappears. Concealer. This I actually like to warm up.
To warm up the concealer in the hand. I don't do that.
And then like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer is made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here, the cure. say mood. Depends on the occasion. It depends on how lazy I'm feeling that day, how much in a rush I am, you know, who I'm going to see. It all determines what kind of makeup I do, if I do makeup, and how much makeup I'm gonna wear. Okay, now we're looking a little smoother. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna go around my nose because I'm a little soft.
Okay, it looks hella bright on camera. I don't think it's that bright, I just think it's the light.
A little redness there, straight up, and down that nose bridge. Mattifying this face a little bit because things can get out of control.
She's using her Fenty powder to mattify. I'll just use my coverfx N70 powder to mattify and set.
This powder to set my contour, to set my makeup.
I kind of want it though.
Oh my gosh, when you get greasy.
But I don't get oily or greasy, but I would love it to set.
Always in my purse. I can never leave home without this. And if it doesn't fit my purse, then I'm changing my purse. I need to warm up this face a little bit. So I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer.
I can't wait for her to come out with bronzers. I want her to come out with bronzers, so that's like her signature like bronzy look, I feel like. No, it's deep bronzer, number 60. I've loved this for many years.
The blend is real. A little more finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can.
It's not really for contour. It's really red and like warm, but I kind of do both, like 2 in 1. Brows are done. I kind of made them a little bit thinner, a little bit longer. Like my eyebrows a little bit more. I really like this.
And warm up my eyes a little bit.
She's taking her the same bronzer that she's using.
Come to life a little bit.
Defining her crease.
Yeah.
Use a quick like on the go step.
I do makeup, since my mom. And then I started working in an industry where makeup was going to be part of my everyday basically, so I picked up a lot of tips there, and I think the best teacher is yourself. You have to practice on your own face because there are going to be things that you can do better than makeup artists. Like there's a certain point where they hand you something, you do it because there's one way that you like it and one way that it works. For me, that's my brows. Super up my brows and my nose contour. Because I'm black, you know, that's for a special nose. Next is going to be a little bit of eyelid drama. Beach, please. Beach, please. Get it? Yeah.
I love this actually. I really love this.
Because it says summer, sunset, love, drama, bitches.
I feel like this is going all over the place. And let me get that crease color back. Let me get some of that bronzer back in my crease.
Line, but like a day like today where I haven't really had any sleep. I'm gonna get all those little bags right there. But the creases, they show up. If they're there, they're gonna show up. Like, see that right there? I have to blend that out. This is the fun part. I'm gonna use the same palette.
Her this close, I can see like usually in pictures, she doesn't seem like she ages or she doesn't have any sign of aging. But like you can definitely see like her under eye wrinkles and her dark circles and stuff. Kind of makes her more human. She's blushing it up with the same pink color.
Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you're trying to give a little natural vibe, give a little bronze, like a little hint. And then sometimes you just want to go like right now. Like, I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is more is more. You definitely want to smile when you're putting on your blush. Here's your face, and there are your cheeks. See? So soon as you smile, you know exactly where to put that, okay? I'm gonna stop now. I know you see that. And I can get really carried away when it comes to the highlight. I really do.
She's so extra. She loves the glow and the glitter now.
There's a technique.
I feel like before she never had like that highlighted look, like too extra blingy highlight, but now it's all she does. Everything she comes out with glitter products.
My nose bridge, the same brush.
My skin is looking hella good today. Like barely any bumps, barely any breakouts, not a lot of wrinkles, hydrated. I'm just like having a very good skin day right now. Usually I have a little bit more bumps, a little bit more dryness, more patchiness, you know, breakouts and bumps everywhere. But today's a good skin day.
This looks fresh, like it's in the vein of what I'm trying to do.
Okay, so I bought the Beach Please lip glosses, but I did not like the lip glosses. I'm sorry, they were patchy. The formulation didn't work with my lips. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what happened. Maybe I got bad ones, but they were patchy. The color was very hard to show up. I love Gloss Bomb, so I'm just gonna use Gloss Bomb.
A little bit of gold. Look how much it really shows up. You guys, look at that.
I don't have body lava.
It's a brand new one. I know you guys know how much I love this product. I do need this kabuki brush because this is where the magic.
If I had $60 to spend, I would definitely get body lava.
Inspiration behind.
I try to make my own body lava like her.
I always used to go to the Caribbean, home, Barbados where I'm from, and every single time I would sit there and make body glitter makeup with like oil and eyeshadows that I crushed up and pigments, and I would just blend it all together to make this nice little glowy thing, and I had to keep it in like a plastic cup the whole trip. And I always thought I could never find the perfect body makeup, so I made body lava, and it is glorious. Look at it. Where are we going tonight? We're going to the glitter. I hope you enjoy my tutorial.
All right, I'm done.
Right.
My fresh curls, glowy, natural-ish, cute makeup. I actually really like this look. I could definitely see myself wearing this. Like, me and Rihanna are like the same person. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.